Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Today we are going to check on how to install this particular project, CrypLab. It's a crypto marketplace platform, as you can see. And it is available on Code Canyon. It has the front end demo, the admin panel, and so much features. You have the user dashboard features and then the admin features. Okay, so firstly, what to do is to add to cart to have the project script. So you click on add to cart and then boom, it's item added to cart, right? So you go ahead to the checkout if you are yet to purchase this particular project. But as for me, I have already purchased this project and I have it available on my device. So you go to checkout and complete the process, then you have your project script. Okay, so let's go to the project script. I have this project script after I purchased it. So I have this zip file. So the next step now is to go ahead to extract this zip file. Just click extract files and then it will extract it and show something like this. It will only give you a folder. It will only give you a folder like this that include the code canyon, CrypLab crypto marketplace, and the documentation, the files, and the updates. So basically, what you are going to see is this 3D folder, but you go ahead to zip this particular folder, which is files. So you click on here, add to archive, and then you click on zip to zip it. Click on OK, and then it gets zipped like this. So now we've already zipped our particular project script. You can see we have this project script over here. So now we've already zip it and it is available on here. So now next step is to go on cPanel to upload the project, to zip our project. So now let's go to the cPanel I'll be using payvalue.com.cpanel. This is my own cPanel that I'll be using. So you log in into your cPanel. So now you have it ready. So first step after entering this cPanel is to go to the file manager to upload your folder. Go right to this section public underscore HTML. So you click on it, then you can host the project. You can upload this project here if you don't have any project. But I can see I have this three projects over here. So I will be uploading it right here. I have to create a folder, maybe create a folder, CrypLab. So so now go inside that CrypLab and then you upload that project there. Upload, select file. So so you have to upload this script file. So you just open and then uploading ongoing. So you have to wait till the upload is complete. You have to wait till it's complete. Okay, so looking at that, let's go set up the database real quick. So you go to the manage my database. Now the name of it, let's just call it CrypLab as well. So make this a capital letter, small letter rather. CrypLab. Okay, create the database and then you go back. So CrypLab as well. CrypLab as well. And on here we are going to use password generator to generate password. So you have to copy this password. Control C. You copy it and then you check this checkbox. Use password. Now we have a very strong password to use, and then we have to create the user. Go back. So now we've created the user successfully, as you can see, and then you have to just add user to database. Value underscore CrypLab that we opened, that we created. So you have to add it. Adding the user to the database, you click on all privilege and then you make changes. Now we have successfully set up the database configuration right here. So let's just copy the password here for reference. So now this is waiting to upload. Now you can see complete. It is complete like this until this thing turns green. So that is when it gets updated successfully. So now let's click on here, go back to the CrypLab. So we have these files. You have to extract it, extract files. So after you extract it, and then you see the project folder over here and the files. So I would suggest you just select all and then move back those project files. So it is available on here. After you click on CrypLab, you see your project directly. So let's go ahead to access it. Pay value slash CrypLab. You can based on the panel, your own domain name is payvalue.com.ng. So this is the CrypLab folder I created, and then slash install. So now you see all this. Just click on I agree, next step. So now we have this requirement. On your own end, you may not have these requirements based on maybe you have enabled it or so. So the first one is BC Math PHP extension is required, GD PHP extension is required, and so on and so forth. So first one, let's treat it from BC Math PHP is required. So you go ahead to the cPanel. It is asking you for installation of something. Okay, so you go ahead to the domain. Okay, select PHP fashion. So after that, so you click on extensions. So we have bmat php extension. So you check B, so bcmat, you click on it. So it is enabled now. gdphp is required, gdphp. So you go ahead to the G alphabet, gdphp, I think it is here. So you click on it as well. Now, so recheck. If you recheck now, you can see we only have this. So let's go ahead to the core bootstrap catch is required 0775 permission. So let's go to the core bootstrap catch. Core bootstrap catch. Then so we right click or click on permission here to change permission. So it requires us to use 0775. So 0 is permanent, so 77775 change permission. Now core storage is required, same thing. Core storage, change permission, change it to 7, change permission. So what's the next thing? Core storage app, same thing, change permission. Core storage framework and core storage logs, they are the same thing. Logs framework, yeah. So let's see. Now we have all these requirements checked passed. So next step, now we have to create the database. We have to set up the database. So we set up the database to be payvalue.cryplab, right? So the host will be 127.0.0.1. Database username will be paypal underscore CrypLab as well, and then the password that I copied. So we have to put it. Now we set up this database details, and then let's go to the admin credential. So you can just use any name you like. I'll be using Tommy, password Tommy123, and my email will be absalom955. So you can use any of your details that you want, and then click on install. Your system has been installed successfully. Please delete the install folder from the server. So now let's go back to the so we are required to delete this install folder. So click on here, delete the install folder. So go to the website and activate. So now boom, we are on the website now. As you can see, the website is now working perfectly after purchase and installation. So let's go ahead to the admin end slash admin, right? So I think I set Tommy if I'm correct, and then Tommy 123. Yeah. So log in. Boom. Now it's now working perfectly. We have the okay the cron job setting. Let's see cron job settings. Okay, it's running. It is even running now. Run now, pause, edit logs. So everything is working fine. As you can see, we have the project working successfully. Now we all of that successfully working, log out, everything working perfectly, and down we are done with this installation. We are done with the installation. You can create your account, sign in, sign up, and all of that. So yeah, thanks.